Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open up the Fall 2021 FabFitFun box. And it's quite heavy, even though it's kind of small. So last time we had discussed how now you can just customize, I think, almost every item in the box. And I didn't remember last time what I had customized. And again, I didn't remember this time. So it's still kind of a surprise. I think I did one add-on, but I'm not even sure about that. All right, so let's open this. Alrighty. Whoa. Whoops. All right, so we're gonna try to do this the easy way. It comes with the lovely magazine, Feast on Fall Flavors. Oh, maybe there's some recipes in there. I'll look at that later. So as far as add-ons are concerned, I always do the refill, and this time I got, again, the DNA time-defying cream. I just absolutely love this. It's something that I think will be a permanent fixture in my life because I love this stuff. It's just amazing. And I know I said it last time and I said it this time again. It's like the creme de la creme for me. Like, everyone has different skin types, but it just works for me. The next add-on I got was the Kate Somerville, and this is the squalene and hyaluronic acid hydrate and plump. So I was due for some hyaluronic acid when I dropped it and broke it to 1,000,000 pieces. And yeah, so this time I'm gonna try not to drop it and break it into 1,000,000 pieces. So now the fun part, this is the actual FabFitFun box. We shall proceed. They give you a lot of these things, which whoever reads these or takes advantage of them, I don't know. I don't. I feel like it's kind of like junk mail. Okay, not keeping that. $60 credit for wine. Nope. All right. We found something here. Dove Advanced Care. And the lettering is really small. It is the Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray Antiperspirant Deodorant Non-Irritant. TSA approved. Well, I'm gonna put this in my TSA approved kit. You know, travel survival 101. Try to get as many travel size items as you can in there. All right, next thing. I don't know what this is. Hashtag now you can. 0.0% alcohol, 100% taste. Heineken 0.0. Oh, no. Heineken. I guess this is an alcoholic free beer. Chances are, even if I wanted to drink this, I probably couldn't because there's malted barley, which I am allergic to. So this is going to be passed on to my husband, who doesn't mind an occasional non-alcoholic beer. Or maybe he does. I don't know. All right, the next thing here, Jenny Bird. Like I said, I don't remember customizing anything. I still feel surprised. Oh, it's some kind of joy. Okay. I remember customizing this, I think. This product was more of the kind of thing that you pick because everything else was kind of like meh. So we'll see what this is like. It's a bracelet and it has various colors of metal. I will list everything down below in the description with the prices so that you know what everything is in case you wanted to buy it for yourself. This is kind of cute though, all together like that. All right, Jenny Bird. Next. Okay, I remember this one. I kind of like this. I love like organizing and I like things that organize to look nice. And this is the Uncommon James Home Goods Hammered Canister Set. It is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Ooh, it actually looks way nicer than I thought it was going to look. It's nice wood topping here, and it's got like some kind of sealant so that you can keep the air out. And then there's underneath, there's another one. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna put in these, but I think that they're really pretty. They just kind of like look like something that you can put in your kitchen, and you can put stuff in there that you usually keep on your countertop that makes everything look messy, and this way it just looks a little nicer. So, you know, if you want to put like dog treats in one and coffee in the other, whatever it is that you like to put in your little canisters, but this is just, it just looks so pretty, I think. They did come in a different color too. I think they came in gold. Again, I will list everything below with the prices so you'll know how much everything costs. All right, this is ARHAUS Moroccan Spice Candle. You know, it's that time of year. I don't know, just something about, yeah, it smells great. Oh my God, it smells so delicious. This bag was made from recycled materials. That makes me feel so much better. Every time I see plastic like this, I kind of feel guilty because I feel like I'm contributing to the planet's demise, but I'm glad that this is made from recycled. Okay, it looks like it may have melted in transport, so that's a little unfortunate, but I can clean that up. Look at that. How cute is that? I mean, I know they don't match, but they're kind of like in the same like aesthetic that I like. It's kind of like boho modern. I've got a weird taste. It's like boho and modern and industrial and Victorian all in one. I don't know how I'm ever going to execute that as home decor, but someday it'll get there. It smells like cookies, but not like overwhelming. Next thing. All right, this is PURLISSE Pumpkin Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Gently detoxifies pores. Okay. Let's see. It's sealed. I don't know if I should open this, but I'm going to anyway. Okay, this smells like the candle. That's really funny. You know what I should do? I should do this mask and light this candle at the same time. What do you think? It'd be fun. Then there is, I don't know what this is. Oh yeah. I remember picking this because I have curly hair and I'm currently running low on my curly hair cream, so I thought I might give this brand a try. It's called Pattern Curl Gel Shine, Define, and Hold. Great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your curls want to bounce and be free. I like my hair like sleek and straight or like, you know, styled, but there are days where I'm just like, I want to be a curly girl. And so I like to try products that can help me get there. Smell it. It smells like the hair salon, which is great. I love that. All right, last but not least, these are boot socks. 2 pairs of boot socks from FRYE. Who doesn't like a nice pair of boots come fall and winter? Oh wow, they're so soft. They're made from bamboo and other stuff. Let me check just to make sure I'm not lying to you. Oh, it's designed for your feet. Who would have thought? Okay, so it's got a bunch of different things in there, but they do put bamboo in it. The other ingredients are viscose, polyamide, and spandex. Hand wash cold, line dry. Well, that sounds very fancy. I don't know if I'm gonna remember that because I usually stick my socks in the washer and dryer and I just don't think about it after that. But anyway, they are very soft. I like them a lot. There's nothing else. Okay, that's all. That's it, guys. Tell me what you thought about this fall box down in the comments below, and thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell, and you'll see when my next video comes up. Bye!